doing this? You want to kill everyone? For what?
We can't lose Dr. Rayleigh. Do what you have to. Now.
Cassie! Cassie, over here! Cassie!
Aaron! Cole, are you all right?
Go!
Wait! No, he's here. The witness. You have to go back. You have to kill him.
No, we gotta get you out of here. You're not safe yet.
No, what?
Look, the machine hasn't pulled me back. That means you're still in danger.
No, forget about me.
Cassie, listen to him.
Cole!
Listen to me. I've seen the future without you. I can't let that happen. Here, take this. Whatever happens to me, track them down. Get her out of here. Go! Go!
Come on.
Oh, shit. Let's go. Mr. Cole, you're late. Mr. Cole? Mr. Cole?